Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A level student around the globe. So today we have to discuss one of the advanced level GCSE, IGCSE math question. So this challenging question. So firstly we will understand the question. We will structure the answer and then we will start solving this. These days IGCSE, GCSE papers or higher level papers, they are asking these kind of challenging questions. So you have to ready for it. So firstly, the diagram shows the cylinder of length 150. Fine. This is our length is there. Horizontal ground and cylinder having radius is 20 centimeter. Cylinder contain water to the depth of 5 centimeter shown in diagram. Here 5 centimeter depth. Calculate the volume of water in the cylinder. Find this volume. Right. Give answer in liter. By the way, fine. So to calculate volume in liter, we have to calculate volume in terms of centimeter cube, fine, and divide by 1000. That's it. So firstly, we have to calculate the area of just this much part, fine. So to calculate this much part, we have to calculate the area of this complete sector and minus area of this triangle. So we will get the area of this bottom water, alright, or shaded region. So firstly, I will draw the diagram here. So this is circle, and here we have a chord, okay? And then radius is, let's say, OA and OB. Radius OA and OB are 20 centimeter, isn't it? From the bottom, actually depth, it's a 5 centimeter is given, fine? And there is one rule even or theorem. So this is chord AB, right? And if you take the perpendicular from the center of the circle, it will bisect. So this is the theorem. If we extend it, it will be radius. So we have here 5 and 20 minus 5 is 15. That's it. Okay. So we will get this height as a 15. Fine. Now here, let's say this is m. Now firstly we will calculate this theta here. Theta is in this triangle, OAM triangle. So 15 is adjacent side for this theta and 20 is hypotenuse, right? You can use the cos, isn't it? So cos inverse of 15 by 20. Fine. So you will get the theta as a 41.4, fine. Then we have to calculate this complete theta, isn't it? Calculate complete theta. You can multiply it by 2. 2 times theta is 82.8. That's it. That's in degrees, right? Now we have to calculate your AM in triangle. OAM AM is equal to square root of OA square minus OM square. So OA is basically 20 square minus 15 square. We will get 13.25 AM. Now we have to calculate the AB completely. So AB is nothing but 2 times AM, isn't it? So it will be 26.4. That's the answer for AB length, because we have to calculate the area of triangle OAB. This area of triangle is just half times base times height, fine. We will straight away calculate area of triangle OAB, fine, which is equal to half times base times height, which is half times 26.4 times height is 15, isn't it, in this triangle? All right, so we will get 198, fine. Then area of sector. Now this area of this complete sector we have to calculate, fine. This complete sector, so it's a theta by 360 times pi r square. So theta is already, we know, that is 82.8, isn't it? Divide by 360 times pi r is 20 square. All right. So if we simplify this whole thing, we will get the 289. So this is area of sector. Now we have to calculate this shaded region, isn't it? To calculate this shaded region, we have to take the subtraction of area of triangle from the area of sector. Here area of shaded region is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB, fine, which is 289 minus 198, isn't it? Answer will be 91. Fine. I hope you understood this part. Now volume is easy. So volume is equal to just a area of shaded region, means 91 times the length is 150. This region times length is 150, which will be equal to 13650 cubic centimeter. So volume will be in liter 1365000. We will get 13.65 liter, isn't it? So this is the answer Fine. So this is how, means structurally you have to answer these kind of question. I hope you are getting the step-by-step answers. If you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description. Thank you.